Today's topic is about use MuleSoft Anypoint Sudio with Apache Maven. MuleSoft Anypoint Sudio is a client design software for MuleSoft project, and Maven is a popular software project management tools. Maven can be used to manage build process for a MuleSoft project. It's very important for enterprise level development. Maven can be used for the build process to automate the CI/CD pipeline. First, we need to make sure Apache Maven is installed on your machine. But how to install Maven on your computer is a separate topic. It's not the topic of today's video. So I'm using a Windows 10 computer, so Apache Maven is already installed. To test if Maven already installed on your computer, what you can do is go to the command line, then just type command mbn-v, enter. Then you will see the version information of the Maven installed on your machine. This shows the Maven is already correctly installed on your machine. In this case, it's a Windows 10 computer. So next, we need to set up Maven with Anypoint Sudio. So right now I'm using Anypoint Sudio, which the version is 6.63, which which has a new runtime 3.9. First, we need to go to the Windows menu and then go to Preference. Then there is a section about the Anypoint Sudio, and then go to the Maven section. And the Maven section, you can leave everything as default. Just make sure the Maven installation directory, home directory, is specified, which is actually the value, which is actually where you installed your Maven software. If it's not correct, you need to use the browse button to specify it. And another thing you need to change is the group ID. You need to change it to something relevant to your project. In this case, I'm using com.forceexpert. Next, just test your Maven installation from Anypoint Sudio. Just click on the button Test Maven Configuration. You see the check mark. Check mark means it's correctly installed. You can see what's the message here. It's just the Maven version information here. So now we have Maven correctly set up with Anypoint Sudio. Now we can create a Maven project within Anypoint Sudio. There are two ways to create a Maven project within Anypoint Sudio. The first way is create with use Maven option. Before I create, first let me delete this existing project here, so we can start from scratch. So the project name is called Test Project. Use Maven. So you can leave everything as default here. The artifact ID, which is just your project name. Make sure there's no space in the project name, otherwise we see error message. Then just click Finish. So while creating new projects, Maven will downloading all the necessary libraries, and so that the project will run by itself. So right now we have empty projects. So I'm not going to create something from scratch. I already have create a sample project which is located in another file. Just copy it. It is an XML file. I copy it and go into the design canvas in Anypoint Studio. Go to the section configuration XML. Here you can paste the XML content here. Now you go back to the message flow UI section. Then you can see the project is defined over here. Now let's save it. Let's just save it. So this is very simple project. So what it does is a HTTP connector to receive the incoming request. Click on it. It's the path is on the base path, and see the HTTP listener configuration. Listening on port 8081. There is a set payload connector which set response to the HTTP request. So in this case, it just reply simply a hello world. That's all this basically this MuleSoft project does is getting a request and then reply with a hello world response. Now we can just start these projects. First, let's just start the projects. While starting the project, if there are any library missing, the Maven build process will downloading the required library from internet to your local machine. In this case, seems so the project is starting. So it says deployed means the project successfully start. So one thing is very often if you first time create your new MuleSoft project like this, sometimes you're getting the error message saying a certain library is not missing or not available. In that case, to solve that problem, you can create the project in another way. So let's stop this first. So we create a project another way, which is let's first create a MuleSoft project, Mule projects. Let's call it test project 1, since we want to have name, project name must be unique. This time we don't use Maven checkbox, which basically create a regular MuleSoft projects. Click finish. In the same way, we want to copy the project content here. Go to the configuration XML tab and paste the content over here. Then we go back. So project is show up, and we save contents. See here, this is the difference between this project and another previous project is the test project 1 has a pom.xml file defined over here, which means it is Maven projects. But this regular MuleSoft project don't have that pom.xml file. Okay, now let's just run this new projects, which is test project 1. Okay, it's also successfully started. Okay, let's just stop this project. So right now, this second project is a regular MuleSoft project. We can convert it to the Maven project. So what we do is select the project name, right click, then go to the menu Mule, then go to the Maven Nice. Click on it. There's a message showing up just saying once you convert to the once you Maven Nice this project, it cannot go back to the original setting. So let's click on yes. Click OK. Okay, now the project already converted to the Maven projects. So you can see a pom.xml file is created over here. So in this way, if you create new project in the first week and get error message when you're starting the new project, you can use the second way to create regular MuleSoft projects that convert to Maven afterwards. So all the downloaded MuleSoft, all the downloaded libraries from internet will be saved in the .m2 folder on your machine. Normally, on Windows, normally it's your your home directory of your user. In my case, here there is a folder called .m2. Go into it, you will see the repository. Go into it, then you will see all the library downloaded by Maven process. Now let's just okay. Let's go back to the second project we created. Let's just start this project. Let's test it. See how we actually use this new Maven projects. So we right click, run projects. So project started. The way we can test is a simple project is using a tool called Postman. Here's Postman. Postman is a popular tool to test the API. It is popular tool for API testing. So we already have we set up the way to test this project is we use the get method for HTTP request. The host is localhost. The port is 8081, as we see earlier. Then once we send the request, there should be a response come back as hello world. So let's run it. So hello world come back. So this proves the project runs properly. And this concludes our video today, showing you how to use Maven to manage your MuleSoft project. And later on, Maven can be automated for your CI/CD pipeline for enterprise level project. Thank you.